Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to empty carts on Etsy website. So all we need to do first of all is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually open your browser, just go to the URL section which is right here and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and of course you'll find this sentence, welcome back, and just your name if you are logged in into your account. Of course if you are not, you'll find at the top right corner here an option called sign in. You can log in from there if you have an account, and if you don't have an account you can create one. Of course you can do both with a Google account or a Facebook account or even an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. So of course once you finish with that, once you log in or create your account, as I said, you'll find yourself here at this home or at this main page. Now, as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to empty our carts. So let's just fill it first of all because I have it empty. So let me just go here to some random products, click on this, and of course we would like to click at, we would like to choose those. Let's just choose whatever and click add to cart. And yeah, it's added right now. So let me just click the X. So now let me just refresh. Of course you can add other items if you want, but for me I'm just going to show you for one. So of course now you would like to click at your cart at the top right corner icon. As you can see, you'll find it right there. And from here, of course, if you want to buy, you can like choose whatever you want. But let me just go now and go to the item or products that you're going to sell to buy, and simply click add remove. As you can see, now your cart is empty. Of course, if you have more items, you'll find every item has the remove option, so just go and click on it and you will empty your cart. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.